Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your dating profile on the cPro application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on the account button down below and click on dating profile in the middle of the screen. Here you can tap on this camera icon to add the profile photo. After that, you should select your gender and whether you are looking for a man or a woman. Then you can add your birthday here. Here you can describe yourself in a few words, describe your perfect match. You can add your occupation, but it's totally optional, so you don't have to write anything into this box. And here you can select one or more of these features. What are you looking for? Dating, friendship, no strings attached, one night stand, and so on. Here you can also set your partner's age, your relationship status, whether you have any kids or not, your favorite music, sport, your interests can be added to, your political affiliation, ethnicity, and so on. If you are done, click on the done button down below, thereby completing your dating profile. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.